Hey everybody, we are really excited about the brand new Nebula Can from Gemtech.
Designed around the 5.7x28 cartridge, but great for 22 long rifle, 22 short, 17 HMR, all those rimfire small cartridges.
We have it mounted here on the brand new FPC in 5.7. It's brand new offering from Smith & Wesson. That can is a brand new offering from Gemtech.
This is our first hybrid can, right? So everyone's familiar with 3D printing. We're starting to optimize, instead of using cans from multiple calibers, we're really targeting the 5.7 with this one, right? But it's phenomenal with rimfire, awesome performance out of this, but really that baffle design that's 3D printed here on the end was designed around the 5.7. So this section back here is the core section. That is 3D printed titanium, so super light. The total can's about 9 ounces, I think. But the blast baffle section, this is why we kind of call it hybrid, is stainless steel. So that blast baffle can handle all the full auto fires. So full auto rated 5.7 can. The other cool feature here on our FPC 5.7 is the thread is Plan B. So on this 5.7, I put a Plan B muzzle device. The can just threads right on to the muzzle device. And then if we were to transition, run it on like say the M&P 5.7, the direct thread adapter just threads in right there.
Just check this is empty.
So that direct thread adapter just threads in to those Plan B threads, and then you can thread it right on that pistol.
Nice.
Makes it super quiet. Again, 5.7 is a fast round. You still get the supersonic crack unless you're running subsonics through it, but it's just a fantastic can, lightweight.
Really lightweight, especially on the end of this. On this 5.7, which is a lightweight gun to start, it really doesn't add much for as long as it is. It really doesn't add much weight on the end of the gun there.
And the 5.7 is already a light recoiling round. With the can, that recoil impulse is greatly reduced. It's fantastic. Personally, I love shooting suppressed. The recoil impulse is reduced, right? So a 5.7 is already a really light recoiling gun. This is a phenomenal gun to shoot, especially with that tempo barrel system. But having, like you said, the weight of the back of the can back here, the recoil impulse is reduced, the sound is reduced. The 5.7 is still going supersonic, so you get the crack of the bullet, but it's nowhere near as loud as a regular unsuppressed.
I'll tell you, I went hunting suppressed for the first time last year. I can't do it any other way now. It's just amazing. It really takes away, especially for new shooters, and this might be a good can for that specifically because you can shoot 22 through it. Usually, my approach has always been teach somebody on 22 if they've never shot a gun before. And it really takes the scary boom and big kind of sound away from shooting guns, and it really makes teaching somebody and introducing somebody into firearms and shooting that much easier.
You feel how light that core is.
That's super light. What I really like about this can is it is 9 ounces, which is light. But most of that weight is right there, so it's in the rearward area of the can, so it really doesn't add too much weight on the end of a pistol.
The balance is just superb.
The other thing I like about it is it's just over an inch in diameter, and so when you thread it onto a pistol, even with regular height sights, if you don't run an optic, you can still see over it, which is really nice.
That was part of the design. We wanted to keep it small enough so you could run it like on our 5.7 pistol here with regular sights, but still perform really good on a carbine. And it delivers phenomenal performance.
It is high temp Cerakote on both sections, which is really nice. It gives it a nice kind of matte black finish. So shoot suppressed. It's life-changing. It really is.
It's more fun.
It's a lot more fun.
My opinion.
A lot more
fun.
You can have your opinion. I'll have my opinion.
It's right.
Yeah, your opinion is correct. All right, let's go shoot.